We are here at a ramen store. And what's the ramen store name?
Hakata Ikoshu Ramen. Hakata Ikosha Ramen.
Why did you choose this ramen store out of all the food lunch places in Tanjong Pagar?
Because we have no choice. No lah, cause there's no queue. And the person behind the camera hates queuing. I want to eat at Great Nanyang Cafe, but the queue was so long. Smells good. I ordered the tonkatsu. What is it called? Oh, I also forgot. Tonkatsu special, number one.
Alright, mine is here. This is black special. What's so special? Let's try a top down shot.
The broth is very creamy.
Creamy, creamy like ice cream.
No, it's pork broth.
This is like the yin and yang, the cat and the dog, white and black special.
You know, in Japan, right, to show your appreciation for like the chef's food, you must slurp your noodles very loudly.
But when you slurp from here, over there cannot hear. It's quite far away, maybe like 5 meters, 4 meters.
Eat your food. Nice.
Okay, so I'm 50% done with my ramen. How about you?
What? Spicy. Maybe 60%. I still have noodles. I'm 90% full.
For you. So I just want to say that eat your favorite thing first. Like me, I eat my meat first, then I eat my soup or drink my soup. Then now I eating my noodles. The black fungus can eat anytime. What's your strategy?
Just slurp whatever you want to eat.
Okay, thank you.
Surprisingly, it was a very nice bowl of ramen. I've walked past this place many times, but I've not stepped in before. But I really enjoyed my ramen. Do you enjoy your ramen?
Okay lah.
He said yes just now. Okay lah, is like playing it down. He finished his whole bowl. But anyway, it's a pretty like small, cozy, maybe like 20-25 seater restaurant. And it's quite nice. The waiting time wasn't long too. I think if you're like super hungry, then this place is for you. Cause can eat until super full. And I see people like buying extra noodles to add into the soup as well. But clearly the two of us can't do that. And I think the next time if I come back here for ramen, I will make the saltiness to be light instead of the normal. It's too salty for Mei Mei here. No, it's too salty for me. I bought a Nutella tart.
Okay, coffee review.
Not bad, quite strong. I got an iced Americano. And I got a Nutella tart because I really wanted to try. I've always bought for people, but I never bought for myself to try.
You must take care of yourself first before you take care of other people.
Why you never buy for me?
Check this out. It's a clip on my finger. Okay, move your mouth. Okay, now we are going to IKEA because at Perth Hill Terrace we wanted to go but it's closed. Only open at 6. So we go IKEA to buy some organizational boxes only because I got too much stuff at home. Too bad I'm the speaker, you don't want to speak. I have the mic. So we'll take the train to Tiong Bahru MRT and then there's a shuttle bus. Weekend shuttle bus. Hey, I'm going to try the coffee after 95% finish. I'll show the Elijah pie. Tastes like the atas coffee. I think it's $7.
I think so. I don't know how much I paid. I just tapped.
That's the problem with cashless payment. You don't see how much you pay. You don't feel the pain. You don't feel the pain of losing your money. What? Huh? For what? You open up a table, see how long. Tell you, once you open up, you don't want to close one. Once you close, you don't open up. He is going to demonstrate how to open the table. Please demonstrate. Okay, she don't want. Scared? You scared? No? Okay, then I do it.
Two hours later.
Once you get used to one length, you won't get used to the other length.
No. But every day we can save space by closing it up.
But you can save space by not having.
Huh?
You can save space
No.
by not having. Welcome to Art Science Museum. Please keep moving. Please keep moving. Don't touch the light installation. Please keep moving so that other guests can enjoy the exhibition. Then you must put back at the bear section. Put back at the bear section. Not this is the whale section.
No.
8 hours later.